Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without damaging any components. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located on the bottom panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Take your time with this step to ensure you don't break any clips. With the back cover removed, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is usually situated near the center of the motherboard. You will see a small screw securing the SSD in place. Use your Phillips #0 screwdriver to remove this screw, and then gently pull the SSD out of the slot at a 30-degree angle. Before installing the new SSD, it's a good idea to clean the area around the slot. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure optimal performance for your new SSD. Now, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same 30-degree angle you used to remove the old one. Once it's securely in place, press it down flat and replace the screw to hold it in position. If you're unsure about the installation or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can have your laptop upgraded without any hassle. After securing the SSD, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the 10 screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your laptop and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete. Check to see if the new SSD is recognized. If it is, you can proceed to install your operating system or clone your existing drive. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the support you need. Remember, you can always get a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, upgrading your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL with a new M.2 SSD is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. With the right tools and a little patience, you can complete this upgrade successfully. Enjoy your faster, more efficient laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.